Alright, today we're going to be doing sections 4.2 and 4.3. By the end of today, you're going to be able to define standard normal distribution and normal distributions in general, and you're going to be able to use a table to compute z-values and probabilities having to do with these. The most famous probability distribution is probably the bell curve, and it's, in fact, the most common family of continuous random variable. We also call these bell curves normal distributions. In section 4.2, which is what we're going to start with, we're going to focus on one particular normal distribution called the standard normal distribution. Standard normal distribution, which we usually denote by the letter Z, is given by this PDF here. When you graph it, the graph of the PDF looks like this. Okay, you have the PDF. How do we calculate probabilities using this PDF? Well, in theory, we could do something like use integral calculus. However, unfortunately, even basic calculus techniques won't actually help us give precise answers. So instead, what we're going to do in this course is we're going to use a chart of what are called z-scores. This chart is going to be found in the back of your book, which is on page 180. And it will be given on any exams. Let's do an example. We're going to use the z-score table to compute the probability that z is less than 0.73. The part of the table we're going to look at is going to be looking something like this. What we do, well, first of all, this k, well, what does that k refer to? That k is this number right here. This number is also called the z-score. The first thing we look at is the first everything up through the first sky after the decimal, so this 7 here. That 7 tells us that we're looking at this row of the table, and then the next thing is the 3 over here, and that tells us we're looking at the second column over here. And then our answer is the guy in the middle. In this case, the probability that z is less than 0.73 is, up to 4 decimal places, 0.7673.